You must move quickly, Deacon Stone. Our spy satellites have picked up a large concentration of Craven units north of their large base here. They seem to be chasing some sort of sensor malfunction, but while they are away, their main base is badly underdefended. Strike now and the whole sector will open up for us.
I understand. Do you have any information on the base's power supply?
Yes, the main generator is here, in the northern section of the base. We have plotted 2 separate drop zones to allow you pincer movement. The dropships will leave in 15 minutes.
I'll prepare a quick attack plan and load my troops, Your Eminence.
Very good, Deacon Stone. Oh, and one more thing. Have you heard anything from Paladin Magnus?
No, Your Eminence.
I see. Well, should you receive any communique, you will report it directly to the Inquisition. He is now wanted for questioning. Am I understood?
Yes, I understand fully.
Excellent. It would reflect well on you, Deacon Stone, if you were the one to bring him in for review. Given your association with the sadly crazed Bishop de Londres, and now a rogue paladin, the Inquisition may desire to speak with you soon, as well. Go with the sun, my child.
New drop zone. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere. Alert. Sensors are picking up several hostile aerodynes in the region. Be prepared for aerial assault.
Move orders received.
Move orders received.
As you wish. Boarding APC.
As you command. Boarding APC. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Squad 1 taking hostile fire.
Move command understood. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Hostile aerodyne eliminated. Squad 2 taking hostile fire. Squad 2 regenerating.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
Yes.
Squad 1 regenerating.
Assuming line
Hostile
formation,
infantry
yes,
eliminated. Squad 2 taking
I
friendly
shall
fire.
feel our wrath.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Squad 1 taking friendly fire. Squad 1 regenerating. Squad 1 taking friendly
Right
fire.
away, Deacon.
Hostile pterodyne eliminated. Squad 1 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Hostile pterodyne eliminated. Squad 2 regenerating.
Moving into line formation. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Assuming line formation, yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Move orders received.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, immediately. Move order received.
Move order received.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 4 regenerating. Squad 8 taking hostile fire.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yeah, I'm going.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 8 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodyne
Act
eliminated.
underway, Deacon.
We shall move at once.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 4 regenerating.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Yes,
Squad
Deacon, we
4
are
regenerating.
Yeah, I'm going.
Move order received.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Right away, move orders. Yeah, I'm going. Move order received. Move order received. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. Yeah, I'm going.
Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Yes, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 1 taking hostile
Yes,
fire.
Deacon,
Squad
we
2
are
regenerating.
moving.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 1 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, immediately.
Squad 3
Yes,
regenerating.
Deacon.
Move order received.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon, moving out.
We are on our way. Right away, Deacon.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
We are moving, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Move orders received. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
Move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We will move.
I will
Squad
cleanse
4
that area,
regenerating.
Deacon.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Squad 4 regenerating. Hostile infantry eliminated.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
We shall move at once, Deacon. Move command understood.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. Immediately.
Move order received.
Hostile infantry eliminated.
Move orders received.
Yeah, I'm going. Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Move orders received. Yeah, I'm going.
Squad 1 taking hostile fire.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Hostile aerodyne
Yes,
eliminated.
Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 1 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon, moving out.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Right away, Deacon.
Move orders our hoverdynes are moving.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move orders received. Yeah, I'm going.
We are moving, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon. Move command understood.
Right away, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. Immediately.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Move orders received.
Move order received. Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon. Yeah, I'm going. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. Yeah, I'm going. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 regenerating. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 7 taking hostile
We
fire.
shall move at once, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Enemy
I will
structure
cleanse that
destroyed.
area, Deacon. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Yes, Deacon, bombarding. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 1 taking hostile fire. Enemy structure destroyed.
Move command understood.
Squad 4 regenerating. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, moving out.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 1 regenerating.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move order received.
Move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Yeah,
Enemy
I'm
structure
going.
destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Enemy
Yes,
structure
Deacon,
destroyed.
at once.
Squad 7 regenerating.
I will cleanse that area,
Enemy
Deacon.
structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
We shall move at once, Deacon. Move command understood.
Yeah, I'm going. Move order received.
Enemy structure
We are
destroyed.
moving, Deacon.
I
Enemy
will
structure
cleanse that
destroyed.
area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move
Enemy
order
structure
received.
destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. Moving out.
Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
We are moving, Deacon.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Moving out. We are moving, Deacon. Move order. Yes, Deacon. Moving out.
Activating equipment, Deacon. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
We are moving, Deacon.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move order received.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We are moving, Deacon.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Move order received.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Right away, Deacon. Move orders received.
Move orders received.
Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Enemy structure destroyed.
No, Deacon. We are moving. Move order received. No, Deacon. I can't target that. Cannot target that, Deacon.
Enemy
Move
structure
order
destroyed.
received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. Special weapon confirmed. Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Attack order received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Hostile Aerodyne eliminated.
Right away, Deacon. Attack order received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Right away, Deacon. Attack order received. Yeah, I'm going.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Right away, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Mission structure destroyed. Power station destroyed. All Craven turret functions will be disabled until the backup system is activated.
Yes, Deacon.
Estimate you have approximately 2 minutes before this occurs.
Move orders received. Yes, Deacon. Moving out.
We are on our way. Yes, Deacon. Move order received.
Move order received.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
Special
Squad 4
weapon
taking friendly
confirmed.
fire. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 regenerating.
Special
Hostile
weapon
Pterodine
confirmed.
eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Command vehicle is in the
Attack
line of fire.
confirmed.
Enemy
Yes,
structure
Deacon.
destroyed.
Immediately. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Command vehicle is in our line of fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
Special weapon
Command
confirmed.
APC taking hostile
Attack
fire.
confirmed. Attack underway, Deacon. Move order received.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile
Yes,
Pterodine
Deacon, we
eliminated.
are moving.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Attack
Squad
order
3
received.
regenerating.
Our hoverdynes are moving.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 5
Cannot
taking hostile
target
fire.
that.
Hostile Pterodine
Deacon, I
eliminated.
can't. Yes, Deacon. We are moving.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 5 regenerating.
Move order received.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Yeah, I'm going. Yes, Deacon, bombard. Move orders
Enemy
received.
structure destroyed. Squad 5 taking hostile fire. Squad 3
Move
taking
order
friendly fire.
received.
Squad 3
Locked on
regenerating.
target.
Hostile infantry
We are
eliminated.
moving, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 3
Affirmative.
taking friendly
Attacking.
fire. Squad 7 taking hostile fire.
Yes,
Squad
move
3
orders
taking friendly
received. Our
fire.
hoverdynes
Hostile
are
infantry eliminated.
Yeah, I'm going.
Warning. Craven turret systems coming back online. Squad 7 regenerating.
Move command understood. We will
Squad
cleanse
4
the
taking
area.
hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes,
Squad
Deacon,
4
we are
regenerating.
moving.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Attack order
Squad
received.
8 regenerating. Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Affirmative.
Hostile
Attacking.
Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Attack order received. Move orders received.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 4 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon. Moving. Yes, Deacon. Attack order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Engaging enemy.
Squad 4 regenerating. Enemy
Affirmative.
structure destroyed.
Attacking. Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Locked on target. Yes, Deacon. Attacking.
Enemy structure
Attack
destroyed.
order received.
Attack order received.
Enemy structure
Attack
destroyed.
underway, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Locked on target.
Enemy structure destroyed. Enemy structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Attacking.
Squad 2 taking
Yes,
hostile
Deacon, we
fire.
are moving.
Squad 2 regenerating.
Order, yes,
Enemy
Deacon.
structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move command understood.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 2 regenerating.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Squad 2
Move
regenerating.
order received.
We are moving, Deacon.
We're moving, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Squad 5 regenerating. Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Yes, Deacon.
Squad 6
Move order
regenerating.
received.
Attack order received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Right away, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Moving out.
Enemy structure destroyed.
We are moving, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon,
Enemy
we
structure
are.
destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. Move order received.
Yes, Deacon, at once.
Move order received.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 3 regenerating.
Right away, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating. Enemy structure destroyed.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Move order received.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Move orders received.
We are on our way.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Yeah, I'm going.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, immediately.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Right away, Deacon. Attack order received. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
I can't reach destination, Deacon. Yes, Deacon. Attacking. Special weapon confirmed. Locked on target.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Move order received.
Move order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Special weapon confirmed. Locked on target. We are moving, Deacon.
Move command understood.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile teardown eliminated.
Attack underway, Deacon.
Locked on target. Yes, Deacon. Attacking.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Move order received.
Yeah, I'm going.
Enemy structure
We shall move
destroyed.
at once, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We're moving, Deacon.
Enemy structure
Yes, Deacon, we
destroyed.
are moving.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Squad 1 regenerating.
Move order received.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Locked on. We are moving, Deacon.
Move order received. Yeah, I'm going.
Enemy structure
Move
destroyed.
order received.
We are on our way. Yes, Deacon. Right away, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. Moving out. We are moving, Deacon.
We're moving, Deacon.
Attack order received.
Move order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Locked on target.
Yes, Deacon, immediately.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move order received.
Move
Enemy
orders
structure
received.
destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. Move order received.
As you command. Special
Enemy
weapon
structure
confirmed.
destroyed.
Special weapon confirmed.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire.
Move command understood.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Locked on target.
Attack order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Attacking. As you command.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Engaging the unworthy.
Enemy structure destroyed.
We are moving, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Enemy mission destroyed. You have destroyed a major Craven base.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Jared, this is Magnus. I am contacting you on an encrypted burst transmission signal. Do not reply. Meet me in the northeast corner of this sector quickly. We only have 5 minutes while we are out of view of the spy sats. Come alone in your APC.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Moving out. We are moving, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon, immediately. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Well met, my friend. Magnus! What is happening? Where have you been? No time for answers now, Jared. We only have a few moments before the next spy-sat crosses this sector. Now listen to me. Here is Delandre's security codex. It will give you full access to the Project GARM crystals.
But what do you want me to do with the information?
I want you to do nothing except follow your inner voice. I am merely giving you access to what I already know. Only you can decide the rest. Now I must go. Farewell, and beware.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Mission accomplished.
It seems that my meeting with Magnus went unseen. Inquisitors watch my every move, but they take no action to arrest me. I can only read the data crystals during my mission planning time, when no one questions why I access my computer. There is still over half of the information to go through, but what I have uncovered so far greatly frightens me. The alien transmission is a warning of some kind. It refers to a fail-safe system for some long-dead empire. What the xenofacts were built for, I don't know. They are still here, but the beings who built them are not. I will continue my research. I owe it to Magnus. He risked his life to give me the answers I crave. May the sun shine on him and keep him safe.